This section of the video is for you to listen to a safety briefing for a campus tour and repeat what is said. Repeat each phrase only once. Welcome to the campus tour. Please stay with the group at all times. We will begin in a few minutes. A map of the route is available at the front desk. Feel free to take photos. If you have any mobility concerns, please let me know now. At the end of the tour, we will return to this starting point.
Scenario 2. You are an instructor introducing a group project in class. Listen to the speaker and repeat what they say. Repeat only once.
Today we are starting a group project. You will work in teams of 4. Please find your assigned group now. The project guidelines are on the course website. Each group must submit a proposal by Friday. I will be available during office hours for questions. Your final presentation will take place in the last week of the semester. This is Scenario 3. You are making an announcement at a university library. Listen to the speaker and repeat what you hear. Repeat only once. This is a reminder for library users. Silence is required in the reading areas. Please turn off your phone ringers. Food and drinks are not permitted near the computers. Study rooms can be reserved online. If you need assistance, ask at the front desk. The library will close early this Friday at 6 p.m. This is Scenario 4. You are leading a walking tour of a museum exhibit. Listen to the speaker and repeat what they say. Repeat only once. Welcome to the modern art exhibit. Please keep your voices low. You may stand as close as you like to the paintings. Do not touch the artwork. We will move to the next gallery in 15 minutes. A guided audio tour is available on your phone. Feel free to ask me questions as we walk through. Scenario 5. You are a lab assistant explaining safety rules in a chemistry lab. Listen to the speaker and repeat what they say. Repeat only once. This is the introductory chemistry lab. Safety goggles must be worn at all times. Please put on your goggles now. Report any spills to me immediately. Do not eat or drink in the lab. Your lab manual contains instructions for today's experiment. Before you leave, make sure to wash your hands and clean your workspace.